Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a battery replacement for Tommy Hilfiger watch. Let's get started. Use the tweezers to push the pin and release the strap in order to be able to open the back case. Insert the watch case opener under the edge of the back cover and gently twist to unclip it from the watch case. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or a tweezers to pull it out. With tweezers, gently extract the old battery, ensuring you avoid damaging the watch mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into place. Before closing the case, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. To close the watch case, we need to use the watch press tool. First, we need to fit the dies to the case press. The die that will fit the watch crystal should be placed on the bottom of the jaws, and the die from the watch back should be placed on the top part of the jaws. Use a plastic bag to protect the watch crystal from getting scratched. Place it between the bottom die and the watch crystal before putting the watch case down between dies. Grip the watch press handle and slowly press down to apply pressure to close the watch back. Be careful to not apply too much pressure as it could damage the watch case or crystal. Place back the pin in the strap hole and position it with the spring bar tool. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.